Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So we're still not really doing much. So you can see a couple of things in the daily. So firstly, we do have diversions with the oscillator. So you can see low and high, whereas price is low and lower, or alternatively low and lower. And you can see the diversions there. That's the one thing which doesn't really bode well for the bears right now. We did break through this trend line. However, the moving averages, look at them, how far apart they are still. And if I just use the up move as an example, you can see how we were pretty much grouped together quite tightly, and then it gradually started breaking up. Okay, so you kind of, when you're this far apart, it doesn't take some sudden move like this to break through it. So if you reverse that to the upside, we need some sort of a sudden squirt up. Now look at the daily bars. We've got a pin bar, then we've got a range bar, and another little range bar at the moment. I'm not entirely convinced we have any structure here. There is a little level that we're bouncing off, and I'll give that to you now. And that's this swing low here. Sorry, not that swing low. That's the swing low we're looking at there. So each of these tails here are going to offer some form of resistance. So that's what you need to be paying attention to on the 4 hour. So at the moment, it's still, keep your hands in your pocket and watch this carefully. The trend is still down on the 4 hour as well. You can see moving averages were quite far. They're quite far apart, and no chance of crossing the 155 just yet. And that's what I'm looking for on the 4 hour, is for price to close above the 155. That would really set things into motion to the upside. So at the moment, some bit bullish signals, but there's also some bearish signals. Now I'm just going to go down to the hour. It'll just give us a view of what happened yesterday, and you can see yesterday closed above the 155. So this level that we are flirting with right now, 35,166, that is one of the key levels to be watching right now. So if we can get above it and stay above it, that will keep us above the moving averages on the 1 hour. Then what we'd be looking for is this follow suit on the 4 hour. So you sort of get above the 66 EMA and come back and test it. So this is the zone you need to pay attention to. So I'll give it to you again. It's 35,850 to 35,160. Let's just say 170. I think it's a better bet. So 35,170 and 35,840. That is the zone that we need to clear. We can get above it. It does start opening up some structure for us to the upside. But as I said yesterday, I think you're going to be capped by 4,100 for now. Until we get through 4,100 and find support there, this is the range that you're going to be playing in. So if you want to trade it on a daily basis, that's kind of what you're looking for. But I think for me, it's safer just to wait for the structure. If we do start breaking down here, then I would be willing to bet that we have some shorts on offer. So sit on hands for me at the moment. Not going to be looking to get into this at the end of the week. We'll look again on Monday. Anyway, I hope that helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.